What's up, YouTube? I'm at Subway and I'm at a review the Footlong Churro, Footlong Dippers, and the chocolate chip cookie. So let's get into the taste test.
Everybody, here's all the footlongs besides the pretzel, and we're gonna be trying them today.
How is it?
It doesn't have enough cinnamon on it, that's all I have to say. It's super good, but
Rate it.
7 out of 10. Next, we are gonna do the slider, whatever it's called.
Oh, this is the Footlong Dipper.
Dipper. I like it. It's crunchy, soft at the same time. It has pepperoni. I love pepperoni. I'll rate it a 9 out of 10.
Hey buddy, this is the Footlong chocolate chip cookie. Look at it, it's so long, everybody. Now let's do the taste test. Here we go. Look at this, guys. Oh my god, it is so... Look at that. Let's try it, guys.
Beautiful. Thank you. Green pepper.
Don't yawn.
Mmm! Guys, this is so soft, so chewy, chocolatey. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10.
Alright, my turn. Here you go, Azzy. My turn. Oh my god. This is the best cookie I've ever had.
Wow, rate it.
11 out of 10.